You have to see this.
As I cut away the sides, every so often the snow will settle and just go whoom.
You wouldn't expect it, but there's actually a lot of space inside. That was close. The whole roof almost collapsed.
This is a pretty cozy little shelter. And it only took me 4 hours to make this thing, which is a lot less time than some of my other snow shelters. Oh, this smells so good.
Beautiful chicken mango curry.
This is just one of the best snow shelters I've ever made.
Consequently, the roof is sagged a little bit.
You don't want to allow the wind to blow straight into your snow shelter. It's supposed to be a pretty good snowstorm tonight. We'll see what happens.